Hi, Atma Namaste. Welcome to my channel. So, today is very, very interesting. I will teach you stepwise on how to do the 2 cup manifestation method. This is so chilling that it has always come true within a couple of weeks, sometimes within few days. It has come true. Whatever that I have asked through the 2 cup manifestation method, and it was high time I told you guys exactly how to do it. Now, listen to me carefully. You will take 2 cups like this, make sure it's transparent glass, and take half cup of water in one and keep the other one empty. Okay. Then you will take 2 post-it notes is better. And if you have a paper like this, it's also good enough. You can use any colored ink, black, blue, it doesn't matter. And you can keep a gum with you. If you don't have a post-it note, then you can't stick it, right? So you'll have to keep a gum. Now, so this glass indicates your current scenario. Whatever is the issue in your life. Let's say a couple of examples I will give you. Let's say you are going through a negative phase or depressed phase in your life because of any relationship or marriage or anything like that. That is one thing. Let's say you are, struggling with career and promotion, job-related issues in life. So you're not doing great at all. So all of those negativities. The third example could be, okay, marriage is delayed, childbirth is delayed, any delays in life. So we'll stick to the current negative scenarios in our life and we'll fill the water here half. Then we take this piece of paper and we will write sad, no growth or promotion, okay, relationship issues. So just write 3 or 4, words, maximum 5 based on the number of issues that you have. Make sure you keep maximum 5. That is what I would recommend. Okay. Now here it is. I've written sad, no growth or no promotion, relationship issues. So all these negative feelings. Now you will paste it here like this. Right? You will paste it over the glass like this, either through gum or sellotape or however you want to paste it. So this is your current scenario. So you will hold the glass of water and you will think of all the negative scenarios in your current life. I'm sad, there's no growth, there's no promotion, no God, my partner's fighting with me, not understanding, so weird. All of your negative emotions. Now, hold the glass for 1 good minute. Think of all the negativities in your life and keep that glass aside. Now, next is take the new sheet of paper and write all the opposite of this. So if you've written sad, write happy. Then if you've written no growth, say growth, abundance. So use all these great, happy, positive words and a great relationship. If you've written relationship issues, then write great relationship. Okay. So as you can see, the comparison here. Sad is happy, no growth or promotion. There is great growth and abundance and relationship issues. And here I've written great relationship. So these are the things you will write. And here you would have pasted the old scenario, okay, negative scenario, which is old in your head now, okay. So once you have written the new thing, the old glass like this, you will hold it, which is actually your current scenario, but make sure you think that all the negativity, all the sadness is going to go because you will paste the new things to this empty glass, which has no water yet. Okay. So you'll paste the new scenario, which you want to create for yourself like this and keep it. Now, once you have thought of all the negativities, start pouring the water like this. And as you pour, think of all the good scenarios which are going to come to you. Everything like this, all the water. Okay. Now you will hold the new reality, which is what you want to manifest. close your eyes and keep thinking about all the new things which you have written as if it has already happened. Visualize, feel happy, the growth, the abundance, the luxurious life you're living, the good partner you have, all the scenarios which you want to manifest, and think of it specifically, exactly how you want it. What color you're wearing when you get the news of your promotion, who is congratulating you. You're calling someone and you're informing them. Whether it was a relationship issue, then imagine your partner bringing you flowers and, apologizing, or you guys getting back together, reconciliation, whatever is your new scenario that you want to create. So imagine as if it's all happening and it's all already happened. So present continuous tense is what I would suggest. So, you just close your eyes and be very grateful that all of these beautiful things are happening to you, and you'll get a smile on your face. So take 1 or 2 good minutes to invest in that happiness. Feel it with full conviction. Okay. Then once you know that you are feeling all the good things, everything is coming to reality and it's the current reality. You've convinced your mind enough. That is exactly when you will drink the water. Okay. And while drinking water, the most important thing not to forget is finish the water fully. Do not leave any traces of that water. Okay. Like this. Finish the water fully. Here, this is just for example, so I'm not finishing it. So after you're finished with drinking the water, then you will take these 2 pieces of paper and you will tear it and you will throw it, dispose it off. Then you will let go of this. You will not obsess about what you just did. Oh, I've done the 2-cup manifestation. When will it happen? No. You will do this and you'll forget about it. You will trust that the universe has gotten the message and it will take care of your wishes and definitely fulfill it. Once you let go of all of these thoughts, do not obsess and etc., you will say 3 times, it's done, it's done, it's done. Thank you, universe. I trust in you. Thank you, universe. I trust in you. 3 times you will say this. Done process. So 2-cup is somehow related to water memory and the paper and affirmation and your visualization. So this is a very beautiful method which involves a couple of manifestation techniques all together and gives you the best results. And I cannot stress enough on the importance of the belief you will have in the system. So do it with full faith to see the results pretty quickly just coming to your nap. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do comment if you knew about this technique. Then did you get a rough idea on how to do this? And was there anything else that I have not added in this video? Do comment and let me know. Let's interact and learn manifestation the right way and manifest our dream life together. Thank you so much. Atma Namaste.